Okay, I have some good news for Tarrant County residents. But first, I want to talk a little bit about mindsets. So obviously, I come from a athletic background. I've always been a student athlete throughout college. My family heavily into sports. And then when I first got into the real estate world, I started as a realtor. I had some struggles just like every new realtor did, but then I finally found these guys that I partnered with who really became mentors to me. And their favorite thing to say was regarding mindset. And it's a lot like the sports background, where you're working every day and pursuing something every day. They finally helped me mesh that together. And they talked a lot about protecting your mindset. So in today's world, a lot of people are seeing a slowdown. They're not seeing as much business coming through as they'd like or maybe are used to. And so, one thing we want to do is protect our mindset. We want to make sure we're working every day towards the future. Real estate, whether you own it or you work in it, is a long term game. So, ask yourself every day, just like my dad had told me and my sisters with sports, is what did you do to get better today? And so, in that sense as well, I want to bring you some positive vibes to help protect that mindset to know that there is light on the other side of the tunnel. So, Tarrant County, we recently elected three new board members, first time ever that us, the consumer and owner, property taxpayers of Tarrant County, we now have representatives representing us in that role on the board. And so they just had a vote to reassess properties every 2 years now instead of every year. So a lot of people are saying that that's going to be a good thing, and make sure that they, like recent years, every single year we've seen a property tax increase. The market's a little slower. So one con potentially that I've been hearing is that, it might skip past the down year. So where they would reassess it lower normally, but they skip right past it. So, take it as you will, do some research on it on your own. But they are going to assess every 2 years. So we have been getting so used to every single year having our property taxes going up. Well, now it's going to be at least every 2 years before they can do that to us. So a lot of people are saying that is positive news. Now, on another thing that they passed is they are proposing a 5% cap. It's been 10%, and some properties are even getting more than that, assessed over 10% to the values. And so now they can only raise it 5% is the new rule. It still has to be approved totally, but that is another outstanding item that they just voted on. So that is good news as well. And then the third thing to talk about as far as positives is we're just about 60 days away from the September Fed meeting, which is the first possible rate cut that we might see here in 2024. So we've really been hearing a lot all the way back to May 10th, 2023, of when rate cuts could possibly come. And we are really, truly staring down based on data, based on all the experts out there. September Fed meeting is when we could see a rate cut. We have a Fed meeting coming up next week here in July. That's going to be really good indication going into September if that cut is coming, looming, and we hope so. So a lot of positives. Hang in there. If there's anything that I can do for you as a mortgage broker, please let me know. We are here to help you, and we want to do everything that we can for you buyers who are looking to purchase or maybe potentially soon refinance to save some money on your homes, investors who want to grow a portfolio, then of course real estate agents are great partners with us, and whatever we can do to help you and your business, marketing, just general education, knowledge, anything that we can help you, we are here for you. So one challenge that I have is I would love for you to engage with us by commenting and telling us what kind of information you're looking for out there, whether you're a buyer, a real estate professional, or otherwise. Please let us know what information you'd like to hear about, and we will bring that content to you in our upcoming videos and make sure we're providing value to those that are listening. And if you are listening, obviously, thank you very much. It does help, just like every other video ever. If you like our pages and comment and really interact with us, because that's what I'm here for. Is I want to make sure we're giving you real world information about how this real estate industry works. on our local market, specifically here in Fort Worth, Tarrant County, and DFW. But of course, across the country as well, a lot of these principles are the same. So if there's anything that is interesting to you, any kind of definitions or breakdowns, or all the way into investing and some more complicated things, please let us know. We have our hands in everything and we love to help. So we look forward to engaging with you. Like I said, challenge, please comment on a topic of interest and we will get that information out to you shortly. Have a great day. And remember, positive things are coming. Very soon here, we're going to start seeing the script flip a little bit more back towards us, the consumer, getting some help. Have a great day.